Hi guys, I'm down at Warsaw Beach today, and after pandemic this is my first outing. Look this. First of all, wishing everyone a very happy Pongal, Bihu and Makar Sankranti. Also, who is joining me? Hello everyone. Actually, this is a Thanksgiving live session. I would like to say thank you all because now I have more than 500 followers in my Insta account. And it's been no so long I am there at Instagram. It's just been a year and I think it's a good number of followers. And this is all because of your love, support and care. I really appreciate it. People, oh look at this, the riding horse. This is really very beautiful. You know, the point where sea level and skies are very close, that is called midstream. And you know that midstream is a fuel of poetry. You know, that circulates a story, that escalates emotions, and I crazily love it. So people who knows me, that's okay, but who is new to my account, I would like to say, this is a short bio, I will tell you. I'm a poetess, writer and novelist. Professionally, I am a medical blogger contributing for plastic and cosmetic surgery. Apart from that, literature, I have a literature background. My one book of poetry collection got published from Jagriti Sahitya. Another is on pipeline, and a novel that is based on supernatural and mystic things that is under process. So people, if you have any query and concerns related to your beauty or plastic cosmetic surgery, if you want to go under the procedure, you can DM me. And the most important thing I would like to mention, that regularly, day by day, I am getting a good feedback in my DM about they have the questions. They are approaching me for they have the problem. They are saying that please suggest me a good doctor and surgeon. Definitely, I am blessed. I am fortunate by the God grace that I have a good number of top surgeons in my list on Instagram. So if you want to know more about the plastic cosmetic surgery, or if you are looking for a best surgeon or doctor, kindly DM me. I will suggest you the best name. And if you have the query related to beauty tips, what's going on in the cosmetic surgery, in cosmetic skin care, I will tell you also. So don't hesitate to DM me. And you know, finding the best plastic cosmetic surgeon itself a research work. So it's not an easy job. You shouldn't go here and say things. So I will help you to find the best doctor. And definitely I would like to mention Dr. Karishma Kagodu. She is the best surgeon in the Bangalore. She is the top most plastic cosmetic surgeon in India, and she has satisfied thousands and thousands of patients globally. And I'll appreciate you, doctor. You are doing great in your field. And so if you want to know more about the cosmetic content or news information, keep updated yourself by following me and by watching me. So how do you find about my content? Please let me know in the comment section so that I will motivate and definitely will post regularly about what's going on in the plastic cosmetic industry. So Thanksgiving session. So I would like to read one of my self-composed poems that I have written yesterday evening. So I am finding the place to read out. I hope guys you will like that poem. So I am finding the place to read that. It's getting darker, so I should finish it soon. I hope ma'am is watching me and sir is watching me also. Dr. J. Kalwat, I would like to mention your name also. Hey guy, could you help me? Please, your torch on please. I would like to read something. There is a helping guy, so I got a torch. Yeah, definitely I would like to read my poem. So first of all, I would like to thank my foreign friends also who is continuously following me and supporting me. So this poem basically I write in English and Hindi. So but literature in English I am contributing. So this poetry शीर्षक title it is शीर्षक that is मोहब्बत तुम कैसी हो। क्या मोहब्बत को चलते देखा, क्या तुम उसको पहचानते हो, वो इधर से ही इसी मौसम में गुजरी है, वो खुशबुएं बांटती है और रक्स भी करती है, वो दोपहर में या सांझ को घर से निकलती है क्या? नहीं, वो तब तक नहीं निकलती जब तक दुआएं तमाम न हो जाए। वो कहती है मैं भी तुम्हारी तरह हूँ, मैं कहती हूँ वो सैलाब है, दुरूद शरीफ है, वो कैसी है कि दिल पर पसीना लेती है और कोई उजरत भी नहीं मांगती। मोहब्बत कब तक रुकेगी? जब तक वो तुम्हारी ज़रूरतों में और तुम उसकी गिरफ्त में हो, बनी रहेगी वो। क्या तुम यमन के बाजार से हो और मोहब्बत ने हौले से कह दिया मैं मुसव्विर की दावत में हूँ, मैं दुनिया के बाद और पहले भी, हमेशा भी, बाकी भी और अधूरी भी। So guys, thank you. There are many guys who are supporting me. Oh, how can I don't know. I don't know. I'm so funny this time. Come this side. Come this side. People are watching me. Many friends from foreign, they are also watching me. I hope my doctors are also there. Here many guys are there. Hello, say hello to everyone.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello guys.
Say hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Please like and subscribe.
Please follow me. Do follow me. And how do you find it? Let me know in the comment section. And keep following me. Keep motivating me. And definitely I will meet you soon, people. Till then, take care. Bye. Love you all. I gonna forgot how to end it.
बता रहा हूँ।
Yeah, just click on this. Yeah, end video.